Hey there, future homeowners. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Camille Collins with Team Collins Homes. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of home shopping. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned pro, there are some key things you need to keep an eye out for during those all-important home tours. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Team Collins. First up, let's talk curb appeal. The exterior sets the tone, so look for signs of wear and tear. Cracked sidewalks, overgrown bushes, note them down and ask about possible maintenance plans. Now, step inside and let's focus on the bones of the house. Walls, floors, and ceilings. Check for any visible cracks, water stains, or uneven surfaces. You want to avoid any surprises down the road. Trust me. Speaking of surprises, take a peek under those rugs. Look for possible signs of pest problems or water damage. Nobody wants to room with uninvited housemates. Time to visit the heart of the home, the kitchen. Turn on faucets, open cabinets, and give appliances a little inspection dance. Make sure everything's humming smoothly. Next up, bedrooms, your personal sanctuary. Check outlets, windows, and closet space. Try imagining yourself lying down and see if it gives you a sense of peace. We can't forget bathrooms, where the magic happens. Check for leaks, flush the toilets, and check the water pressure. We gotta make sure those bubble baths can keep bubbling. Time for the finale, the backyard. Look for drainage issues, potential landscaping needs, and most importantly, is it a good place for a barbecue? All right, future homeowners, that's it for our home tour checklist. Remember to document everything in your notes, take pictures or video so that you can remember what it was you saw and compare it to other homes that you viewed. And most importantly, if you do decide to put an offer on the home, make sure you get that home inspected professionally. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We appreciate all your love and support. Team Collins.